Welcome to Vibe Level, an AI-native platform to solve real-world challenges. In a Vibeathon, you pick a challenge, explore it, and work with AI as you pair to build your solution. Everything happens in one workspace, from understanding the task to final submission. Let's see how it works. Once you land on the microsite, click on the register button to begin your journey. You'll be redirected to the login page. Sign up using your college email ID to participate in the Vibeathon. This ensures you're part of your campus for this competition. After signing up, you'll land on the Vibeathon details page, where you can explore the tracks and register for a challenge. Choose a challenge and register. But remember, you can select only one challenge per track, so choose wisely. Once registered, click on Start to begin your challenge. After clicking Start, you'll land on the assessment page. Before proceeding, carefully review the problem statement, rules, and evaluation criteria. Your session is monitored for fair evaluation. External AI tool usage and activity signals are detected, with higher confidence indicating stronger evidence. So use only the built-in Vibe Level AI workspace to complete your solution. After clicking on Start Assessment, you enter the Vibe Level AI workspace, a real-world sandbox environment. Here, you can work with the AI agent to complete the assessment. So let's walk through a real assessment on Vibe Level. This one is a URL shortener. We are building a quick way to shorten links for internal use. No database, just an in-memory solution that works. Always start with context before writing any code. Give the AI the full picture. Here, we're setting the scene, telling the AI we need an in-memory URL shortener, no database, something lightweight we can test and build on. For the next prompt, be specific about edge cases upfront. It saves you from fixing things later. Here we're asking for the core feature, the shortening logic, and making sure the AI knows duplicates need to return the same code, not create a new one. The code updates automatically as the AI writes. And if you ever want to sync manually, just hit the refresh button. For the next prompt, always think about failure cases. Here, we're adding the lookup feature and explicitly telling the AI upfront to handle that gracefully instead of just showing an error. Once requirements are clear, one clean instruction is all you need. Here, we've talked through everything. Now we're telling the AI to go build it, and you'll also notice the code updates automatically. For the next prompt, keep implementation and testing as separate steps, so the AI stays focused on each. Here, we're moving to tests. The assessment requires at least 5, so we ask for coverage across all the key behaviors we just built. There are 2 buttons here. Set up environment, which sets up everything you need directly in your terminal with one click, and run tests, which runs all the tests you just wrote instantly. In the final prompts, we're validating against the original requirements and ask the AI to tighten up the code before we submit. After one final check, and you can submit the assessment. After evaluation of your submission, you'll receive a detailed score report. This reflects your overall performance, approach, and how you solved the challenge. You can also check your position on the leaderboard, compete with your peers, and see how you rank within your campus. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and get started.